Let's have a look at trigonometric function, and especially the cos function. So here we have function g is defined as follows. So here we have a function. Now, when you are looking at trigonometric function, it's good to understand what you are looking at. So that number 140, that is the midline. Now, what does that mean in the context of our function? So here we don't need to do the graph. We have the graph. That means that 140 will be actually in the middle of that function. Okay, 110, the number that stands beside the cos or sine is the amplitude. Now, what does the amplitude mean? It means that from our midline, I'm going to go up by 110, so plus 110, and I'm going to go down by 110, so minus 110. So therefore, if we add this value here, it will be 250, and at the bottom, we're going to have 30. So that's the first thing. Now, the second thing as well for us to know, it's about the period. So as we know, cos function keep repeating itself. This one, because it has plus, starts on the top, then is the middle, then is the bottom, then middle again, and the top again. So the period here, or period everywhere, is 2 pi divided by c. And c is what? That number here. So that means is 2/3 pi. That's the period. So that means all of that, that's the value to 2/3 pi. Now that period is divided into 4 equal parts. I know they are not looking for it, but for us it's good to know. If we put in the calculator 2/3 pi divided by 4, because 4 equal parts, we'll get that each part is 1/6. So that means that first value here will be 1/6 pi, 2/6 pi, 3/6 pi, and that is actually 4/6 pi. So in this question, we have to find the value of A, which we did, 30, find the value of B, which we did, 250, and find the value of C in terms of pi, which is 2/3 pi. So that's the reason why I'm saying always to you that understanding, looking at the equation of the function and being able to figure out the graph, that allows you to answer question much easier because you know what you are looking at.